Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to configure Network Bridge on AlmaLinux 9. First, run the system update with the following command. Then you must install the bridge utils package to manage your network bridges. To do this, run the following commands. At this point, you must find your physical interface by using the following command. In this example, ETH0 is my physical interface. Now, you must edit the network configuration file. Next, you need to modify the configuration file for your Ethernet interface, for example, ETH0, to include the following lines. Once you are done, save and close the file. Now, you need to create a new configuration file for the bridge interface, BR0, in the same directory. Continue to add the following lines to the configuration file for the bridge interface. When you are done, save and close the file. Next, restart the network service to apply the changes. Now, you can verify that the bridge interface is correctly configured and operational by using the following command. You can also use the following command to show your current bridges. First, list the available network interfaces to identify the one you want to bridge. Alternatively, you can use the following command. In this example, ETH0 is the physical interface to be bridged. Now, create a new bridge interface named BR0. This command creates a bridge interface, BR0, and a connection profile named BR0. You can verify the creation. Next, enslave the physical interface to the bridge as a port. This command adds ETH0 as a slave to the BR0 bridge. Replace ETH0 with your interface name if different. Next, assign an IP address to the bridge interface. You can configure it with a static IP or DHCP, depending on your network requirements. For static IP, modify the bridge connection to set a static IP address, gateway, and DNS. For DHCP, the bridge should obtain an IP address automatically via DHCP. Next, to avoid conflicts, deactivate the original connection profile for the physical interface. Now, bring up the bridge connection to apply the configuration. Verify the bridge is active. The output should include BR0 as an active connection. Next, check the bridge status and its ports. Additionally, verify the IP configuration. Next, to ensure the configuration persists after a reboot, restart the networking service. Alternatively, reboot the system. After reboot, verify the bridge is still active.